You unlock your phone without thinking. Messages are everywhere. Videos never stop. People are only one tap away. Yet some nights, a strange emptiness quietly settles in your chest. It feels personal, but the real answer is far stranger. Loneliness isn't simply about being alone. It's an ancient survival system that has been living inside your brain for hundreds of thousands of years, quietly shaping your thoughts, your emotions, and even the way you see the world. Why would evolution create something so painful? Imagine your ancestors standing alone on an open plain as darkness slowly covered the land. A single human had almost no chance against predators, hunger, or harsh weather. Staying close to others wasn't just comforting, it was survival itself. Every heartbeat depended on belonging to the group. Your brain never forgot that lesson. Just as hunger tells you to eat and thirst tells you to drink, loneliness pushes you toward human connection. It isn't a flaw, it's an alarm. But what happens when that alarm keeps ringing in a world completely different from the one it evolved for? Psychologist John Cacioppo, one of the world's leading researchers on loneliness, discovered that loneliness changes far more than your mood. It changes how your brain interprets reality. When you feel lonely, your mind becomes more alert to possible rejection, making neutral faces seem colder and ordinary conversations feel more threatening. The brain isn't trying to make you miserable, it's trying to protect you. That protection comes with a hidden cost. If every interaction feels uncertain, you naturally begin avoiding people. The less you connect, the stronger the feeling becomes. The stronger the feeling becomes, the more your brain believes you're isolated. A survival mechanism slowly becomes a vicious cycle. Could the very system designed to reconnect you actually keep you apart? This isn't just psychology, it's biology. Neuroscientist Matthew Lieberman showed that the human brain is fundamentally social. Regions involved in thinking about yourself are deeply connected to regions that think about other people. Your brain doesn't separate personal survival from social belonging as much as you might imagine. In many ways, other people become part of how your brain understands safety. Even your body listens. Research from Julianne Holt-Lunstad found that chronic loneliness is associated with increased health risks affecting sleep, stress hormones, immune function, and even long-term survival. Your body behaves as though it's facing a continuous threat, even while sitting safely in your own home. Why would silence feel so exhausting? Because your biology still remembers the wilderness. For nearly all of human history, being separated from the group usually meant danger. Evolution favored nervous systems that treated isolation seriously because those individuals were more likely to reconnect before it was too late. The feeling survived because the people who listened to it survived too. Modern life changed almost overnight. Cities became enormous. Families spread across continents. Work moved onto screens. Friendships became notifications. Your ancestors recognized thousands of familiar faces every week. Today, you may scroll past thousands of strangers without forming a single meaningful connection. Your ancient brain receives endless social information, but very little genuine belonging. That creates a strange illusion. You can be surrounded by people and still feel invisible. You can have thousands of followers, yet feel completely alone. Your brain isn't counting faces, it's searching for trust, shared experiences, and the quiet certainty that someone truly knows you. This helps explain why a short conversation with someone who genuinely listens often feels more satisfying than hours spent endlessly scrolling. Your survival system isn't measuring quantity, it's measuring connection. The Harvard study of adult development, one of the longest-running studies on human happiness, reached a remarkably simple conclusion. Strong, meaningful relationships consistently predict healthier and happier lives more than wealth, fame, or status. Across decades, the lesson remained surprisingly unchanged. Your ancestors already knew it without science. Around every fire, every shared meal, every story passed from one generation to the next, they built something far more valuable than comfort. They built survival together. So, the next time loneliness quietly appears, remember what it truly is. It isn't proof that something is wrong with you. It is an ancient signal from a brain still trying to keep you alive in a world it was never designed for. You unlocked your phone looking for connection. Perhaps the real answer was never inside the screen at all.